Here we go. All my radios are not on, so...
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, southwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, northeastern Parker County in north-central Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time. It's 6:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Briar, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Damage to roofs, sledding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Flower Mound, Haltom City, Keller, Hurst, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Saginaw, Azle, Trophy Club, Richland Hills, Lake Worth, Eagle Mountain.
Yep.
Richland Hills, Roanoke,
I live near Eagle Mountain.
Justin and Reno. This includes Interstate 35W between mile markers 55 and 75. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Doubleheader?